What is Aura coming up with in a short-term and long-term vision that people should look forward to?
Aura, being a boutique developer, we are coming up with a wellness-centric project in Sector 79. After that, we are going to Dubai.
आप जब लग्जरी सेल कर रहे हो, आपकी मेंटालिटी, आपका वर्क प्रोग्रेस, वर्क प्रोसेस बहुत डिफरेंट होता
I
है.
think Gurgaon market is all about luxury now.
Correct.
So there are all international developers coming to Gurgaon.
इतनी मेहनत और इस पूरे ब्रांड वैल्यू क्रिएशन के पीछे व्हाट इज योर विनिंग फॉर्मूला इफ आई मी नो? आपको लगता है ये जो क्रेडिबिलिटी दैट ऑरा हैज टुडे, यू हैव टुडे, क्या ये ओवरनाइट बिल्ड होती है?
It's all about wellness. Coming into Sector 79 with a project that is powered by Apollo.
वाओ.
Right now is $3.5 billion in India. It will be double by next 5 years. So I think people will be investing in wellness.
How is that something that you sell of the brand in value sense?
We are selling our belief, we are selling our trust, we are selling our long-term appreciation to our investors.
People are hungry to invest.
Right.
तो क्या आपको वो एक स्केल दिख रहा है क्लियर कट इन द इंडस्ट्री, स्पेशली इन गुड़गांव?
Gurgaon market is international destination.
Yes.
The Dubai and Gurgaon. So both are international. अगर आपके पास investment के साथ में exit भी है कि आप सही जगह invest कर रहे हो.
So let's welcome Mr. Gaurav Jain to our show, the sales head at Aura. Hello sir, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Tamanna.
So sir, when I saw your profile, I realized that in an industry like real estate that you've been in,
Right.
I think it's not only about the business, it's also about the mindset shift and the value you bring to the brand.
Right.
So tell us something about that.
Yeah, hi Tamanna. So I've been part of real estate for the past 15 years. I started my journey in Mumbai, then I moved to Gurgaon, part of M3M for the past almost a decade, handling sales, CRM, marketing, leasing. So I've met a lot of investors. So initially we used to sell property, but now our mindset has been changed. Now we are creating a belief, we are creating a trust, a long-term value, an association with our investors, so that we are just not selling them, we are creating a long-term association with our investors.
Correct. So you deal in luxury projects and that differentiates a lot क्योंकि बहुत फ़र्क होता है प्रोजेक्ट टू प्रोजेक्ट, बट आप जब लग्जरी सेल कर रहे हो, आपकी मेंटालिटी, आपका वर्क प्रोग्रेस, वर्क प्रोसेस बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. So how is that different for you?
So I think Gurgaon market is all about luxury now. So there are all international developers coming to Gurgaon. They are selling their branded residencies. They are selling projects which have wellness. So there are a lot of projects coming in Gurgaon with theme-based, selling luxury to investors. So I think it is pertinent right now for all the investors to get good investment into Gurgaon.
करेक्ट. मतलब आज बहुत सारे लोग प्रॉपर्टीज़ में डील कर रहे हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स इन गुड़गांव टुडे, राइट? तो आपको लगता है ये जो क्रेडिबिलिटी दैट ऑरा हैज़ टुडे, यू हैव टुडे, क्या ये ओवरनाइट बिल्ड होती है या एक लंबा प्रोसेस है?
I think it's a long process. So part of industry, working with the channel partners and creating a value with investors. So we have lot of investors who have been investing with us for the past 10-15 years, and they have earned very good capital appreciation, and they have multiplied their investment with us. So I think at Aura we are coming up with something niche, very very niche. It's all about wellness. Coming into Sector 79 with a project that is powered by Apollo and driven by wellness. So I think wellness industry also is booming. It is right now is $3.5 billion in India. It will be double by next 5 years. So I think people will be investing in wellness, and we as a developer are coming something which is close to nature and which will contribute to our society as well.
जब नए लोग आपसे जुड़ते हैं या ऑरा से जुड़ते हैं, how is that something that you sell of the brand in value sense? वो what do you bring on the table and what does Aura bring on the table?
That is very very important, because we being a new developer, we are selling our belief, we are selling our trust, we are selling our long-term appreciation to our investors. So we are bringing something very 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 lucrative, price sensitive. Sizes are appropriate in terms of investing into Sector 79. So the location we have chosen is in Gurgaon, not in New Gurgaon. The pricing between New Gurgaon and Gurgaon is humongous. So we are launching something in Sector 79 with a price range of 2 CR, close to nature, and I think people will definitely earn good investment, good return in a short period also.
So that's what Aura Shores.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes.
But I mean, it's so nice to see that, you know, the real estate is booming. कैसे लोग आज लिटरली दौड़ रहे हैं, जैसे आपने बताया दैट पीपल आर हंग्री टू इन्वेस्ट. तो क्या आपको वो एक स्केल दिख रहा है क्लियर कट इन द इंडस्ट्री, स्पेशली इन गुड़गांव?
Gurgaon market is international destination.
Yes.
So there are two destinations, either Dubai and Gurgaon. So both are international. Gurgaon has a positive side that you have exit also. So we as a head at Aura World, we intend to give options to our investors so they can have exit from the market. So it is very important कि आप इन्वेस्ट क्या कर रहे हो. अगर आपके पास इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ में एग्जिट भी है, देन यू विल हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस कि आप सही जगह इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, एंड यू विल हैव अ लॉन्गर एसोसिएशन विद द डेवलपर ऑल्सो.
तो जब आपने ऑरा के साथ अपना सफ़र शुरू किया था, व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस एंड व्हाट वाज द बिगेस्ट चेंज जो आपको फील हुआ कि ये एक बहुत न्यू एक्सपीरियंस है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि आई थिंक यू हैव अ गुड बैकग्राउंड इन रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री.
So I think it is very difficult to move from M3M and to Aura because I've been working with them for the past many years. I used to handle their leasing, sales, marketing, everything.
You're pretty
Now-
young to
Yeah.
feel like that you have so much experience, but we googled about you.
So at Aura, we are creating something new, something great for our investors. We are doing branded tie-up in terms of gym, in terms of spa, in terms of wellness centers. So we have Apollo on board who will be managing our medical facilities, emergency rooms, doctor on call. Likewise, Apollo, we have multiple branded partners in Aura First Project. They will be managing the entire condominium. And I think it will have a long-term gain and appreciation for our investors.
All this sounds so glorified and so nice. So इतनी मेहनत और इस पूरे ब्रांड वैल्यू क्रिएशन के पीछे what is your winning formula, if I may know?
So for a brand value at Aura World,
जी.
so we will be the first developer
Okay.
who will be launching the projects internationally and domestically. So we are bringing 2 projects in Dubai, 2 projects in Gurgaon.
Okay.
And I think in future we are coming something in Noida also.
Okay.
So we are targeting 3 territory, Noida, Gurgaon and Dubai. All are internationally recognized.
Correct.
So you must have seen the launch of Jacob by M3M.
Very famous.
Now more developers are launching their branded residencies in Gurgaon, maybe Westin, maybe Elisa, Aston Martin. So lot of developers are coming up with their branded residencies in Gurgaon and Delhi NCR area. So that's why we are targeting this market. And now Dubai is the next destination. So there is no developer in the market who have projects in both the international locations. So we will be the first one launching in Dubai and Gurgaon both.
Congratulations for that. But, you know, another interesting angle, it might get a little personal. When I saw your Instagram, there was certain thing that I realized that you had a participation in something like Iron Man or thing. So I realized it's not only business, but also your physical strength that you're excelling in. So tell us something about
I
that.
think that is a winning formula for me.
Oh.
So I've been participating in Ironman. Ironman is the world toughest endurance sport wherein you have to do swimming, cycling and running
All in one go.
in one go. So there is swimming of 2 kilometers, cycling 90 kilometers, running 21 kilometers. You have to do in a stretch. So it is all technical. You have to maintain your health, your mind in such a way that you will do the sport in particular timeline, and this will impact in your work also. So we do our work within the timeline. We achieve our goals within the timeline. So I think according to me, the winning formula is to wake up early at 5. You must have heard 5 a.m. club. So it is absolutely true. That club gives you so much energy. At 5, you have time to think about what you have to do the entire day. You have planned your day in advance. Maybe entire week could be planned in that way. So I think that is a winning formula. When you are going to your office, your day is planned, you are confident, your team is managed, and 100% you will achieve your goals.
That explains a lot about the mind and body connect, right?
Exactly.
So do you believe that the better and healthier you are, the better your brain and your business works?
Absolutely.
Correct.
All top leaders are physically healthy and they wake up early and they plan their day in advance.
Wow.
Otherwise, success is not possible.
That's true. So I've realized that you're not only a sales head, but also a brand voice now. So how is that experience that when you're openly talking about Aura out there, वो आज real estate industry में आपके लिए कितना helpful है?
It is very, very helpful because you have to create a brand value, a trust that will be there if you are in the market and successfully implemented things in whatever you have done in your past. if you have done things successfully with the channel partners, with the investors, I think it will create value for a longer period.
Longer period.
Yes.
Because I think this is how the modern world works, right?
Exactly.
जी. So this is all about you and Aura. Now let's talk about your main primary focus, that is Gurgaon, right? पहले ये सिर्फ एक दिल्ली एनसीआर का एक एक्सटेंशन माना जाता था. Now it has its own global value and presence. So how does people or how do investors look at Gurgaon especially in today?
So I will start from the scratch. Gurgaon population, I think in 2012, 2011 was around 15 lakh. Now it is 25 lakh in 2025. And it will be increased to 45 lakhs by 2031. The population has been increasing every
High boom.
year in Gurgaon. So people are moving here.
Correct.
So Gurgaon used to be IT hub, Millennium City. Now it has become a residential hub wherein all the big developers are coming in Gurgaon, international, domestic, launching their products. All branded residencies are coming to Gurgaon because it's a lifestyle destination now. People are coming, buying and residing here only. Most of the people who used to commute from Delhi now residing in Gurgaon.
Gurgaon,
Yeah,
true. I think people are looking at Gurgaon as a very posh point of view. I heard about a very interesting thing like next Disney is going to be in Gurgaon. How true is that?
Yeah, it is coming. Disney is coming. Universal is coming. All are coming in Gurgaon. So in Gurgaon, developer is creating a Gurgaon international city. Government is creating global international cities. Cities have been creating inside the Gurgaon. So future is bright.
Invest with Aura.
Invest with Aura.
Yeah.
I think the future is bright in Gurgaon.
Correct.
But wherever you will invest, it will double in next 3 to 5 years.
Coming from an expert. So, but आज भी लोगों का कहना कि अभी now the Gurgaon is being saturated. बहुत doubts है invest करे नहीं करे. If you can just fill in their myths and stuff.
I think it should be study by examples. Those projects which have been launched in last 1 year or maybe 2 years, appreciation is there almost 30, 40, 50%. So I think every day is the right time to invest in Gurgaon. If you invest today, you will see your property will grow in next 6 months, 8 months. So after 1 year also people will invest in same property but at higher prices. So I think right time to invest. Every day is the right time to invest in Gurgaon.
Okay. What is Aura coming up with in a short-term and long-term vision that people should look forward to?
So Aura being a boutique developer, we are coming up with a wellness-centric project in Sector 79. So that will be launched by Feb end. After that, we are going to Dubai. In Dubai, we have 2 lands. So by, I think, April end or by May, we are launching our Dubai projects. Then we are going to Noida as well. So we have multiple destinations. We will definitely create value, long-term capital appreciation for our investors and for our end users, for sure.
Well, with God's grace, everything's going to be amazing. Sounds from your confidence too. I would also like to know if somebody who's looking forward to invest in Gurgaon, as per you, best projects or best locations that they should invest in without thinking.
Gurgaon, best locations are Golf Course Road and Golf Course Road Extension. These are the 2 best locations in Gurgaon which are developed. You have good residential condominiums which are already delivered there. I've been living in society called Golf Estate. It is in Sector 65. So I think a society is made of people. Infra comes later, but the way people are living is very, very important. So I think Gurgaon is absolutely magic in terms of having their residential apartments. Yes.
Gurgaon sounds like the new London to me now.
Better than London.
Oh, okay, that can be controversial. Okay, so the next thing is that आज exactly because you know the market today, तो गुड़गांव के buyers हैं कौन? Are they high-end users, investors who are exactly investing in Gurgaon today?
So in Gurgaon, there are 3 types of investors. One is strategic investors who do big buy. They buy in one go maybe 100 units, 200 units. Then there is a buyer who buy just for investing. And then third is the end user. So I think the market right now is for end users also and for investors also. Both are investing in Gurgaon and they are getting good appreciation.
What is the biggest project that you've personally dealt with?
Biggest project I dealt with is Golf Estate that is in Sector 65. It is the biggest residential project in the entire Gurgaon, which is delivered, and the current price is, I think, is almost 40,000 rupees per square feet.
Oh, Wow, that's brilliant. I mean, अगर हम बात करें इतने बड़े projects की, which is luxury of course, तो is it more about emotional buying or is it about the digits, the money? How do like actual luxury buyers deal with when they are investing?
What I've seen for the luxury buyers, I think the buying is somewhere related to emotions. They see how their friends are investing, how the market is behaving. So they are connected with their friends, with the market, and they're taking the decisions accordingly. So it is emotional touch is very, very important for the buyers who are buying luxury apartments.
That's why for every brand, a good name is also very important today. Yeah. So, आज अगर somebody wants to invest in real estate or enter as a businessman or work in the real estate industry, what would you suggest to them?
If they want to enter
Real estate industry.
as a
As anybody who would work, build networks, sell, buy.
I think in last 1 year in Gurgaon, the people who are selling real estate has, I think, multiplied by around 500 times
Oh.
in last 1 year.
They are real facts.
Yeah, it is real fact. It is
Oh.
like Dubai. Dubai and Gurgaon are real estate hub. People are selling all the properties, all developers. So it is getting sold also. So I think in Gurgaon, there are more than 30, 40 developers, renowned, selling their properties. And obviously channel partner is the key link in between who is selling the properties. So I think it is good opportunity for you as well. You can come to Gurgaon and start sales journey with a good and reputed developers.
Okay, we'll discuss about this after the podcast. So when you talk about bringing influence to the people through digital medium, do you think the digitization of the sales in the real estate industry is also working in the favor of brokers or dealers?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think the digitization give you good information. So you have information handy. You know all the projects, who are the promoters, what are the layouts, pricing, and what are the key USPs. Now the decision is to buy. So the buying decision, it's depending on the investor, how quickly you can get the exit. So that is an influencing decision for buying the property. But being into social media on Instagram, lending, give you best information in terms of at least for the information per se.
Oh.
Yes.
बट आजकल के बायर्स या इन्वेस्टर्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा डेटा ड्रिवन हो चुके हैं. दे नो एवरीथिंग. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. सो व्हाट डिफरेंस डू यू सी इन दैट?
I think the logic is same. Data is there. Everything is just a call away. They can go online or they can just call directly to the developer also and get all the information immediately about the project, about their background, about the future, maybe the current project, what they are doing, how much inventory has been sold, what is pending, and what is the market trend in terms of rates as well. But the buying decision for the investor should depend exactly in how many days or in how many months or in how many years you will get the exit. If you have the potential of getting the exit from the market, then you can buy. With blind eyes, you can buy.
Oh, this is the key to analyze. Nice. So you've been in the field from more than a decade now, right? So have you seen a change in expectations of investors or buyers today in Gurgaon especially?
Yes, investors are greedy now. They want to buy every property.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's the good side of it. What
I've
is the
seen
bad
investors,
side of
they
it?
are buying every property they are buying, and even they are exposed now. So, but in Gurgaon, better part is there is the option of exit. People can exit and invest their money into other developers. So there is a chain. There is a good chain that is going on. People are getting their money back, investing into a different property, then again multiply their property. So it is going like this only right now.
What is the better side or the USP or the emotion that Aura brings to the table? What is that differentiation that people would choose Aura over anybody else?
At Aura, we have something that is not there in the market. So that is the price bracket. We are launching something that is very, very price sensitive. Right now, people are buying property with price differentiation. They want to buy property which is less than 3 CR, maybe 2.5 CR, so they can afford also. Otherwise, Gurgaon is not reachable. Things are increased to a level that is not reachable for a common man. So at Aura, we are bringing something for everybody. And with all facilities, everything we are giving into our condominium with price sensitivity.
Oh, that's nice. If I talk about the long-term vision, 10 years down the line, 15 years down the line, what is Aura looking at?
we will be delivering timely, giving good returns to our investors. Whatever we will promise, we will deliver. So that is our philosophy for a longer period. And we intend to launch 3 to 4 projects every year and deliver them timely. That is the focus that we are doing right now.
So, I see these fancy words like crafted spaces and curated lifestyles that investors are, they're, looking forward to when they are investing. So, in shabdon ka kitna importance hota hai
So
for
that is our
investor?
tagline,
Okay.
crafted spaces and curated lifestyles.
Okay.
So we are something bringing that is linked to innovation, AI. So in our projects, we are bringing innovation also. So bring something that is different from the other developer that will differentiate you. Yeah, exactly. So that is on the table that we are bringing.
Okay. What are the few events that, Aura holds or kind of networking that they have that people can have a credibility to?
So at Aura, by God grace, we have all the channel partners. They are working with us. They are selling our properties to their investors. So I think that is a network that we have built in past 2 to 3 months. So everybody is working with us diligently with their heart and get their investors entered into Aura world.
Now let's talk about the Dubai side.
Okay.
Now, after Gurgaon, I think the other focus that Aura has is Dubai.
Right.
So why did we go, or is it a strategy, or this is where the future holds? So what was the brains behind that?
So Dubai is something wherein everybody is investing, not only India. Everybody around the world is investing in Dubai because of their infrastructure, because of their management by their government. Government is totally focused on infrastructure, how other developers are coming to Dubai and managing their projects. So we at Aura Developer want to go to Dubai. We have bought land there, coming up with 2 to 3 projects every year in Dubai. So our planning is to go international and create value in international market for our Indian investors.
Oh, but आज लोग, especially in India, why are they so inclined towards Dubai?
Dubai is a fascination
Okay, yes,
because
that's true.
everybody want to go there, live there. They want to take their children also, study there and move to Dubai. Considering the issues in India, maybe in Delhi NCR, somewhere about pollution, AQA level is too high. So there are so many things which is not there in Dubai. You can live peacefully with something that is not there in India because their infrastructure is way better.
I think after Canada, people are now inclined so much towards Dubai.
Right.
Yeah. But now that you've studied market both for Gurgaon and Dubai, what is the difference or similarities that you see?
For investing point of view, Dubai gets return almost double than Dubai.
Oh,
double than
Gurgaon.
Yes.
Okay. Faster returns.
The return is almost 8%, 8 to 9% in Dubai, which is around double what we are getting in Gurgaon. Gurgaon में 4 से 5% ही आज की डेट में. Plus Dubai is an international city with all amenities. Everything is there. So people obviously want to invest.
What is that beauty that you see in the real estate industry of Dubai than Gurgaon as a business perspective, not the investment?
For business perspective in Dubai, so I think there are all international developers with their branded residencies are coming to Dubai. Dubai is all about brands. They have everything starting from Ferrari World, all type of international theme parks, then coming to shopping centers. So Dubai is a hub in terms of everything. So it's a business hub also. Now they have started their shipping hub also, shipping, business, international data centers, shopping centers. So they are into everything.
So
I think it's a
360
business
degree.
hub for us as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that is why you're heading.
Yeah.
So, but दुबई के अंदर इन्वेस्ट करने में भी आज हम देख रहे हैं कि इंडियंस आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ मिथ्स. तो उसके बारे में हैव यू एनालाइज्ड कि अगर कोई इंक्वायरी करता है नहीं यू रियलाइज्ड कि हाँ लोगों को अभी भी कुछ डाउट्स हैं दुबई के फील्ड
दुबई के लिए आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा डाउट यही रहता है कि उनको कि दे विल इन्वेस्ट इन दुबई देन आई थिंक द गवर्नमेंट विल कम behind them, ED will come behind them. I think that is the only myth. Otherwise, it is absolutely safe. They have everything online. You can just check on the application and check online about your properties that you are buying, how much amount you have paid, when it is getting delivered. Everything is online. Simple, very simple.
बट लोग आज भी रियल एस्टेट को बहुत एग्रेसिव सेल्स के थ्रू दिखते हैं. सो उस पे आपका क्या कहना है?
Sales is always aggressive. It is not about real estate.
So you're not denying the fact.
It is aggressive. Yeah,
Yes.
it is aggressive. Every sales is aggressive across the industry. But considering real estate is a high ticket sales value, so you have to push a little harder to get the things done. But it is there. It is there. Obviously, it is there.
तो लोग कहते हैं कि योर नेटवर्क इज योर नेटवर्थ राइट तो हाउ मच इज दैट इन रियल एस्टेट
Real estate is all about networking. It is all about networking. That's why we are doing good events, big event, international events. We have seen people calling international stars in Gurgaon for their launch events. So it is all networking. People are coming from international cities, from other cities, or you have seen influencers in Gurgaon. It has multiplied now.
करेक्ट
So they are all
अपना ही एक अलग जॉनरे बन गया है ऑफ
Right,
क्रिएशन
right. Exactly. So they are all doing marketing at that level that they are creating a good network for the investors to come, understand, educate, and buy properties and earn money in Gurgaon.
That's true. So now that you're so young and still, covered so much of distance in the real estate vision, what is your personal goal in the real estate, value, or you can say the journey?
Right now that I'm doing, I'm heading a developer. So that is my goal. Start the journey from buying the land, then build it, sell it, and make it profitable for everyone. For the investor also, for the developer also. So that is the goal for me.
Okay.
For a longer period.
ओके तो अभी बहुत सारे लोग नाउ दैट यूर एन एक्सपर्ट बहुत लोग क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि क्या ये साल इट्स परफेक्ट टू इन्वेस्ट इन दुबई गुड़गांव और नोएडा और दे शुड वेट तो उस पे व्हाट इज़ योर विजन और पर्सपेक्टिव
2026 will be a biggest year for real estate. People across the country will invest in Gurgaon, in Noida, and they will earn handsome return because of the infrastructure development. And now government is focusing in creating amazing infrastructure across Gurgaon, including Dwarka Expressway, including New Gurgaon, including Extension Road till Manesar. So there is a absolute focus from the government side also to create it like an international city. So it will add value. It will add obviously extra income to all the investors. Yes,
That's true.
It will be there.
तो अगर let's talk on a small scale for now. If anybody holds a investment of 2 to 5 crores, do you think they have a probability to buy or invest in Gurgaon?
If they want to invest 2 to 5 crore rupees, yeah, absolutely. Gurgaon developers have become now price sensitive. They are launching product between 2 to 5 CR on maybe on Extension Road, maybe on SPR, Southern Peripheral Road, then to Dwarka Expressway.
So Gurgaon is a perfect place to
Perfect, absolutely perfect for buyer to invest between 2 to 5 CR.
go. And anything below 2 crores?
Then you can buy a service apartment.
So what is the most expensive projects that are ongoing in Gurgaon currently?
By DLF, by the name of Dahlias, it is more than 70-80 CR on Golf Course Road. These are the most expensive project. But now I think M3M is coming up with a new development. They are bringing Ali Saab.
Oh wow, okay.
It's a Lebanon-based fashion designer coming to
Wow.
Gurgaon first time.
Beautiful.
They have
that's
4
great.
5 good projects in Dubai. Now they are coming to Gurgaon.
That's amazing.
So I think they are launching very very soon.
Okay.
Selling a unit for I think 15 to 20 crore rupees.
How many
On
units are there?
They are around, I think 300 units they have. So 15 to 20 crore rupees of a unit on Dwarka Expressway. I think it will be a dream for the investor also to buy a unit in such projects.
It'll be a turning point indeed. How do you think that it'll sell off quick?
Immediately.
Really?
Yeah. Because only 300 units and you have 3 lakh investors. So it will be wiped off immediately.
It's so good to see that our country is progressing on a scale because real estate, I think, holds a very big amount of business that is circulating in the economy. And it is doing so much for the country on a 360-degree angle. So personally, when you entered the real estate business, what did you feel or something shocking that you saw in the real estate business or you realized that you love it?
Initially, things were very different.
Okay.
Initially, there was a focus on commercial market in Gurgaon. People used to invest in commercial properties, getting the return by leasing it out to the brands. Now the things have changed. Now it is all about residential market. People are investing into residential apartments, getting good rentals and appreciation also. So you are getting 2 things. One is capital appreciation. Second is the rental on your property in residential market in Gurgaon. So things have changed drastically in past 4, 5, 6 years. And now things are totally different in Gurgaon. in terms of bringing something new. Everybody is bringing new. So you have seen Lodha is entering into Gurgaon.
Okay.
Prestige is coming here. Oberoi is coming here.
Wow.
Branded residencies are coming here. I've heard that Aston Martin, Bugatti, Brabus, such brands are also entering into Gurgaon. So
Amazing.
things are on different level.
I think few years down the
So
line.
we are very fortunate to live in Gurgaon at right time.
करेक्ट
Yeah.
करेक्ट आई थिंक कुछ सालों बाद किसी की पकड़ में नहीं आने वाली है प्रॉपर्टीज
नहीं आने वाली।
दैट्स वेरी ट्रू तो आई मीन दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द बिजनेस एंड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट यू बट एज समबडी हु इज हेडिंग अ ब्रांड लाइक Aura, for you what is success? What is the real meaning of success?
There are two type of success. One is short success or one is a longer vision in terms of success. So I think for me every day is a new day. I plan my day in a way that me, my team and my management both are going in the right direction so that we can successfully close the day. For a longer period, we want to achieve our longer objective, that is to deliver the project or maybe to give better or timely appreciation to our investors. So I think that is a success for us if all the stakeholders associated with our company, including investors, our vendors, partners, employees, management, everybody is happy, then that is a success for us.
So how is Aura great for our end users and investors? So if you could tell something about that.
So we have a very, very flexible plan. So right now we are selling at a plan of 30, 40, 30. So investor have to pay 30% right now. That is tentatively 55, 60 lakh rupees. So after paying 60 lakh rupees, he has a window for next 2.5 years. So next payment will come after 2.5 years. So after paying 60 lakh rupees, he will earn basic premium of 30, 40 lakh rupees.
That's good.
And get the exit from the market. So I think it's a very, very right opportune time for the investors to come and invest at such prices. They will definitely earn money.
That's great. That's great.
And for the end users, we have also introduced bank link plan wherein they have to pay 10%.
Okay.
Balance payment will be given by bank.
Oh,
So they are free from EMI. They are free from all the interest that they have to pay to the bank. So for the end user, it is very perfect plan. They have just to pay 10 to 15% today. That's it.
that's great.
So for end users and for investors, so they both have good plans, good payment plan in terms of investment with Aura.
Perfect. So another thing is, what is exact USP of the project, if you can tell about that?
We have multiple USPs at Aura. First is our project is facing Aravlis. Facing Aravlis is something divine. We
Correct.
have. Second, this project is powered by Apollo.
Okay.
Entire medical facilities will be managed by Apollo, including the entire medical rooms, wellness centers, emergency rooms, doctor on call, nurses, everything will be managed by Apollo team. They will be there in our condominium 24/7. Then we have all units corner facing Aravlis, and apart from that, we are bringing something very, very different, that is a branded gym, branded spa and a branded wellness center into our project.
Beautiful. That will be something very huge.
Thank you.
Sir, another very concerning issue is the AQI levels, the pollution of Delhi. Do you think कि Delhi citizens के लिए गुड़गांव किसी भी तरीके से एक substitute location की तरह एक future में नजर आ सकता है through anything?
Yes, at Aura World, we have bought our land strategically in Sector 79. So this land is near to Aravlis, wherein the AQI level is less than the entire Gurgaon. So it's a multiplying factor for the end users to come to Sector 79 and live peacefully. Apart from that, we have so many amenities in our project. Our project is powered by Apollo. They will be managing all the medical facilities in our condominium. Then we have fully finished apartments, including wardrobes, white goods, everything we are giving. Then these are fully automation homes with all things will be done just by a touch.
Wow.
And apart from that, we are bringing branded wellness centers, branded gyms, spa in our product for our end users.
That's a dream.
Apart
so
from
many.
that, talking about pricing, currently also in the talking about the pricing in the high-rise condominiums in Sector 79, 78, 79, DLF has been selling their apartments at around 20,000 rupees per square feet. M3M has been selling at around 18, 19,000, Golf Hills. And we are targeting our price at around 13,000 right now. So it is a perfect time to buy in Aura right now in next 15-20 days, because I think our price also will increase to 15,000 then to 18,000 in next 6 months. So I think it is an opportune time for the investors, for the end user, to enter into the perfect market and buy a peaceful homes for their family.
I believe that's a dream to so many people.
Right.
And getting so much at such economical rates is
Absolutely.
it's a perfect bonanza.
Right.
I really hope to see Aura reach the heights, obviously, technically also. So thank you so much, Gaurav, for enlightening our audience and me, especially. I'm your first audience. And I never ever got to know so much about the real estate business.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay. So guys, this was it for today's episode with Mr. Gaurav. And I hope आप लोगों को भी real estate industry, especially गुड़गांव, दुबई के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ जानने को मिला होगा. If you have any doubts with him or from me, you can comment below and subscribe and like our episode. Thank you.